Everyone thinks the best-selling solar shower is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Outdoorepic Solar Shower Bag. Let's kick things off with the Outdoorepic Solar Shower Bag. Priced at just $12.20, this little gem caught my eye because of its durability and large capacity. If you want a reliable way to enjoy showers while camping, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-gallon capacity means it can handle about 3 showers, perfect for a couple of friends or a small family. It's made from durable PVC, and the reinforced seams prevent leaks, which is a huge plus when you're out in the wild. The black color design helps absorb heat from the sun, heating the water to about 50 degrees C in less than 3 hours. Plus, it comes with a 25.6-inch hose for easy maneuvering. Now, some people complained about the nozzle being a bit tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the on and off switch allows you to control the flow quite well. It's really not a deal breaker for most campers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done. Skip this one if you need something that heats water quickly or offers advanced features. Now, if the Outdoorepic's capacity was a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TKGRKL Portable Shower Set. Up next is the TKGRKL Portable Shower Set, which comes in at $120. It includes not just a shower but also a 1500W immersion heater. If you want a warm shower experience, even in the wilderness, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this kit is the 6000 mAh rechargeable battery that gives you about 60 to 90 minutes of runtime. That's plenty of time to enjoy a warm shower without worrying about power. The immersion heater automatically shuts off once the water reaches 160 degrees F, so you can relax knowing you're safe while getting clean. The included shower tent ensures you have privacy, which is crucial when you're in the great outdoors. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the entire set can be a bit bulky to carry. Here's the thing though, the trade-off is the comfort and convenience of having a warm shower that really makes it worthwhile, especially for family camping trips. This is perfect for you if you prioritize having a warm shower and some privacy while camping. But if you're looking for something lightweight and ultra-portable, you might want to keep looking. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value simplicity. Product number 3, 5-gal Solar Shower Bag. Now let's talk about the 5-gal Solar Shower Bag priced at $31.57. It's straightforward and designed for ease of use, which is why I found it appealing. If you want a no-fuss solution for outdoor showers, this one's a great choice. The thick tarpaulin construction means it's built to withstand the rigors of camping, and the on-off switchable shower head lets you control your water flow easily. It heats water using solar power, making it eco-friendly, and it can reach up to 113 degrees F in just a few hours under sunlight. With a capacity for 5 gallons, it's suitable for multiple showers and has a large filling port for quick refills. On the downside, some users have reported that it can take a bit longer to heat in cloudy conditions. But honestly, if you're aware of the weather and plan accordingly, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and effective for camping trips. Skip this one if you need something that heats water instantly or has advanced features. Now, if you're looking for something that can hold even more water, this next option is definitely one to check out. Product number 4, 5-gallon Solar Shower Bag with Temp Display. Next up is the 5-gallon Solar Shower Bag with a real-time temperature display priced at $20.20. This caught my attention because of its fast heating capability. If you want a shower that's quick and effective, keep listening. This bag can heat water to 113 degrees F in just 3 hours and features a temperature gauge to keep you informed. The upgraded shower head with an on-off switch allows for personalized flow control, making it comfortable to use. With a durable design and 5-gallon capacity, it's great for camping, hiking, and even emergency situations. However, some reviews mention that it can leak if not handled carefully. Here's the thing though, as long as you're cautious when filling and using it, it's a solid option that fits well into any camping gear. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use shower bag that heats quickly. But if you need something that can handle rough handling, you might want to explore other options. Now, if you want something that's a bit larger, let's look at the last product on our list. Product number 5, 10-gallon solar shower bag. Finally, we have the 10-gallon solar shower bag priced at $17.56. This one stood out for its larger capacity. If you're camping with a bigger group, this is definitely something to consider. With its 40L capacity, it can provide showers for several people without needing constant refills. It utilizes solar heating effectively, ensuring you have access to warm water. However, it may take longer to heat up due to its size, especially if it's not placed in direct sunlight. But let's be real, if you're camping with others, the capacity makes it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you're planning a group camping trip and need ample hot water. But skip this one if you're going solo or want something compact. In summary, each of these solar shower options has its strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different camping scenarios. Choose based on your needs, whether it's capacity, heating speed, or portability. To wrap it up, we explored 5 different solar showers for camping. The Outdoor Epic offers great value for budget-conscious campers, while the TKGRKL shines for those wanting warmth and privacy. The 5-gal solar shower bag is perfect for simplicity, and the 5-gallon with temp display heats quickly. Finally, the 10 gallons bag is awesome for group trips. Whatever your needs, there's a solar shower out there for you.